Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Epi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association bar ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kan pilong. Ya ka Sohra International Half Marathon basaw ha ka arhnyaw turik u Nailur arajar arpsan. Kabakan sedang na light soplia bat kot hanok sni tiang Sohra. Uba John F. Karshing Working President MSOA ula ong balakmi lenti bandan palat shipo hajar ngut kinong mare ha kani kasi. Lakin tu ye kinong shong shnong bakin register kloy namar on ichip naga Athletics Federation of India bantai jing timing omsha iki register ha kasngi khaddu. Kikadan gibadan half marathon arpway KM open elite arpway sheneng Meghalaya open khatpra sheneng. 10 km khatpra hadu Saupo snem Saupo hadu Sanpsan snem Sanpsan snem sheneng. Run for run na benta ke school berkipat bak Sohra entry free offline. Ka total prize money kalong khatsan point san lak tingka bar ka budget baru ka way ka poisha ar point khandai pnyok lur tingka on I t-shirt medal kabam pinsbo bat don ka jingkershan na ki bor sarkar bar ki volunteer. Kalimpung kan sedang lai sau pusan hadu sau baji min step bar ki bos kin meet na Shillong haka por lai baji min step.
So I'm going to play 100. The product must have printed electronic media, and welcome all of you. We are happy here. We have our director, Didi Shira, director of Department of Youth Affairs and Sports and Youth Affairs, and we have here with us finally Paria, the General Secretary of Meghalaya State Olympic Association and also the Secretary of Meghalaya Athletics Association. So once again we are here to very happy that with the support of the department, the government of Meghalaya, we have been able to continue and conduct the 4th Sohra International Half Marathon 2025. And as you're aware, the event date has been decided on 27th of September 2025. The route is the same, and other technical issues anybody will explain. And I'd like to take this opportunity to once again request all the marathoners of the state. My one humble request is that they all register before the time. The last date of entry is 10th September. In the last 2-3 marathons, we did face this problem that again, people come at the last minute, which causes a lot of problems because these in this marathon they use all this technology, and each athlete is given a chip, and all this chip is supported by AFI. And if they register at the last minute, there is no way that their timing or they can, well, they can run, but their timing will not be considered because they won't have a chip. Can't produce a chip overnight. So once again, I'd like to thank the government of Meghalaya, Shri Konrad K. Sangma, Honorable Minister, Shri Shaklar Wajiri for the continued support, the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for the continued support and in promoting this run. So we did have a number of international runners last year, and we do hope to have more this year. And we hope that this will also promote the tourism of the state. So before Hafani gives his explanation on the other technical details, I'd like to call on our director to also say a few words to the function of this. Nailur asking to it. Kanega kanega sokben berpikir bahwa kanega Jimare mau sosial Jimare besar ke 4th Sohra International Half Marathon ke Bandung Haka yang terus berapa ajar besar di sokongan yang oleh sarkar Nailur State Olympic Association, Nailur Athletic Association, yang ada di Malaysia Pusaka promote yang di Mare, kadang half marathon atau 4 kilometer, yang di Pam di Bapel sebelum patai di bawah final Korea, Sohra patai di dari tuan dia yang di Utah, bahan soal syukurpa hari Jumat gawe ke Bapa di Bapel di nomor itu ni, pada ini jelas. Iwan telah diimpor dengan semua ruang manusia yang sistem mengenai kecuali kerana dia dalam timing tidak terjadi jatuh dia dia Athletic Federation of India pihak antar lalu berdasarkan jangan nomor dia lalu Iwan Islam di tempat lah dia pun langsung bagi itu kalau kita baca kita pun boleh mereka timing dia nomor melakhiran Jewish di bukan Portugal. So kalau kita buka mereka, semua dari Malaysia itu semua siapa yang punya dia cuaca, boleh semua. So now ada